Nigerian crunchy meat pie. Very whoa. Can you see? Can you see the back? It's hot too. The hotness is. So I still have in the oven. So let's taste. Calm down a bit. It's hot. It's hot too. But it's so yummy, it's so crunchy, you know. So that is it. I enjoy baking my meat pie every Friday, you know. This is the one I'm taking in Niger shop. You know, so that is it. Too crunchy. Come and join you. It's so crunchy. My pasta. See, pasta in Italian now. My flour, my dough, yes. Today I added garlic, ginger, and the nutmeg. What did I add again? It come out so tasty. I love the taste, you know. So that is it. It's so good. Because I watched one lady in YouTube. She know how to bake very well meat pie, Nigerian meat pie. So I saw her adding ginger. Ginger is the yellow one now. Ginger, not alio, not garlic. Yes, ginger. Yes. I added it. It come out so. So that is it. Meat pie now. So come and book your meat pie. Small chops, you know. Come and book. Bacon. You need a book meat pie. Bacon. I'm begging you. So that's why we want you guys to do summer things, you know. Because we have book ben. And why you because we have book ben. What can I make pie na more than that? What do I meet by and what do I meet by? And what if you make the meet by you look and come? You know? Because I'm doing it with love. Love it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ciao.